Child abduction. 1 in the morning. Just got it over my no weather radio. Black and silver. God, freaking 1 in the morning. Jesus Christ.
This is a child abduction emergency transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. A Tennessee statewide emerald alert has been issued by the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation on behalf of Cleveland Police Department for 10-year-old Madison Linares Medina, Hispanic female, 5 foot 2 inches, 100 pounds, brown hair, and has last seen wearing a white shirt and green-brown shorts. She was carrying a black jump rope and was last seen around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, walking in the area of Parker Street and 20th Street in Cleveland. If you have any information on the whereabouts of J. Smythe, please call Cleveland Police Department 911 or TBI 1800 TBI FI North D.